Hello and welcome to Motivated Guide Journey. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 essential skills that high school students need to learn in their academic and professional lives. Skill 1. Coding. Coding is a valuable skill that can lead to lucrative career opportunities. Learning coding languages such as Python, Java, and C++ can open up doors for students in various fields such as web development, app development, and cybersecurity. As Steve Jobs said, everyone should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. Skill 2. Graphic designing. If you have a creative mind, then graphic designing is the perfect skill for you. From creating logos to designing websites, graphic designing is in demand across all industries. Software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are essential tools for graphic designers. Skill 3. Data analysis. In today's data-driven world, the ability to analyze and interpret data is becoming increasingly important. Learning data analysis tools such as Excel and Tableau can help students make sense of complex information and identify trends. Did you know that data analyst jobs are projected to grow 25% by 2029? Developing this skill can lead to a lucrative career in various industries such as finance, marketing, and technology. Skill 4. Time management. School students often face a demanding workload and multiple extracurricular activities. Learning how to manage time effectively can help them prioritize tasks and achieve their goals. According to survey, poor time management can lead to stress, burnout, and poor academic performance. Developing this skill can not only help students achieve success in high school, but also in college and their future careers. Skill 5. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is a valuable skill that involves analyzing information and making informed decisions. It can help students develop problem-solving abilities and make better choices. 69% of employers rated critical thinking as the most important skill for recent graduates to possess. Developing this skill can lead to success in various fields such as business, healthcare, and education. There you have it, the 5 essential skills that high school students need to learn. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. That's for today's video. I hope you learn about skills and their importance. Also share your valuable thoughts in comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more great content. See you in the next video.